Hey, my dear friends. I've been asked by many, how were you able to scale out your business? How were you able to generate over six figures in exclusively offering rock chip repair and just having dealership as your main customers? Listen, you have to plan first, right? So we strategically planned where we were going, who we were going to visit, and what we were looking out for. So I'm sharing with you the very first steps of what we did before you dive in deeper into, is this worth investing in? Is it worth your time? So first things first, go to cars.com. You enter your zip code. You do the search with your zip code. Now, I'm using 20163, so if you're in Sterling, Virginia, I am doing your job for you. Look at this. You have Maserati, you have Audi, you have Ford, you have Penske, Mercedes-Benz, all these beautiful cars. Listen, typically, car dealers, ships have a big rock chip problem. And you know what? You could have the solution for them because the car salesman, um, the used car managers, the GSM, they will all love you for the sake of being able to give a presentation of a unit of a car looking frontline ready. So you add instant value, be anywhere between $500 to $600. You transform a vehicle. Listen, rock chip is not cute. And when these dealers have these issues, they're actually in need of your help. So you see that there's a listing of dealerships within your area with the cars. So go back to cars for sale within the site. You entered your zip code in the bottom. If you scroll on the site, go to the bottom, there would be find the cars, the best car dealers. So you have your zip code in, you hit search. In the left-hand side, you enter your zip code again, 20163 is going to give you a listing of how many car dealerships there are in that area. So 578 car dealerships in Sterling, VA. Hey, no car left behind, people. Listen to this. You go scout out the land of the pre-owned inventory of these car dealerships. If you are interested in either adding on ChipOff, chip repair as a add-on, or even if you want to start a business exclusively just with ChipOff, listen to this. This is how you could get into the game before having an initial investment. Go check out if these dealerships have a problem, and then you could count how many cars there are on the lot. At the same token, if you want to speak to anybody, you can, but get a feel for what the damage is like, because know that it can be fixed. And if this has been helpful to you, let me know. Let me know if you are going out there to your local dealership to see if they have damage, and let me in on if this is something that you want to do, because I was able to work part-time and make full-time money. My husband came from detailing. He had that as a hobby. He grew and he grew, and as he grew, he was exhausted. It took up a lot of his time with the family, and then when he asked me to do it, I didn't want to do that type of work. I didn't want to have to be scrubbing in and out of vehicles and picking up dirt from other people. Like, no. So anyway, if you're doing that, more power to you. If you want to keep doing that, then go ahead. If you're winning in that area, then hey, by all means, do you. But I'm just showing you another route where you could make more money, not have to work as hard. Listen, we charge anywhere from $85 to $150 per unit. And you know what? Sometimes it takes less than 1 hour to do the vehicle. So what does that tell you? You could work less, put in your time, add value, and move on. So I'm sharing with you this video because there was some skeptics out there saying, oh, does it work? Hey, it worked for us for the past 10 years and it's still running. So you know what? We've been so blessed with this opportunity. We've been so blessed to be able to have this as an additional revenue stream for us now. And you know what? We want to give back. We want to share with the community. We want to help others who want to help themselves. Listen, if this is something that you want to or you're curious about, I recommend for you to go check out your local dealership, check out the lay of the land of the pre-owned inventory, see if those cars are damaged, if they have rock chip, a rock chip problem, paint chip problem, hey, and know that you can fix it. So follow us on Facebook, Haiti Rodriguez with ChipOff, or go to www.chipoffnow.com to get more information. I hope you have a blessed day.